What's up with it, Bad Bandit in the building, you know what I'm saying? So today we're gonna be making guacamole. I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, peep how I cut the avocado. That's how y'all gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm nice with it, you know what I'm saying? So you might need a little bit of time to do it like me, but look at that slice, nigga. What you talking about? Get that out of there. And yeah, so first I got 2 avocados, cut them in half and get the seeds out. Next thing you wanna do is you gotta scoop the avocado out of the little shell that it's in. This part kind of hard for me. I don't know about y'all. Comment down below how if it was easy or hard for you. But yeah, you gotta scoop it out into whatever bowl that you're about to mash the guacamole up into. All right, so the first ingredient is garlic. That's the first seasoning you need to add to your guacamole. So put about I'd say about like a just like a spoonful. Just like, see, my spoonful only a half full. So put like a spoonful. Put like 2 of those into your guacamole. Next thing you're gonna need is some tahini, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna give it a little bit of like a sour taste. So if you don't like sour type of taste, you know what I'm saying? You don't gotta put this ingredient. It's kind of optional. Next thing you're gonna need is some lime juice, you know what I'm saying? Just splash it on there. You don't need a lot of it. Next thing you'll need is some salt. I'm using sea salt. You can use that iodized salt or whatever it's called. You can use that too. You know, kosher salt, whatever you got. You know what I'm saying? Just throw a little bit on there. About a half spoonful. Next ingredient. All you gonna need is some onion powder. You could use real onions if you have real onions to you know what I'm saying, to chop up. Just dice them up nicely and then throw them in there. Or you can use onion powder. It really doesn't matter. You can do the same thing with the garlic too. Next thing you're gonna need to do, you need to mash that joint up. You know what I'm saying? Just mash it up. I used that little tool that I got. I don't know what it's called, that little masher or whatever. The potato masher or whatever you want to call it. But I switched from that to a fork. You know what I'm saying? A fork works pretty well. Like when you got those big chunks and you're trying to like chop them up, you know what I'm saying? You can use a fork or a knife. You could chop it up when you first start. But I mean, I usually just use like a little fork or that little potato masher thing to mash up my guacamole. And then yeah, so you want to mash it up until it looks like, I like my guacamole chunky, so I mash it up until it don't look like a paste, but you know what I'm saying, it's still got little guacamole, little avocado chunks. But some people like it like really like pasty, you know what I'm saying? It's all personal preference. It's up to you how much you want to mash your guacamole up. Make sure you put all your ingredients back after you're done cleaning, because if you don't, you're a dirty nigga. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our finished product. It looks kind of messy, but we're not here for plating, you know what I'm saying? We're here for taste, all right? So now, I feel like I'm missing one thing. Oh yeah, a taste test. You're gonna need some tortilla joints. My dad was in a call on the other side of the room, so that's why I'm not really talking too loud. But so turn your mic up if you want to hear the ASMR joint, you know what I'm saying? Alright. That nod right there, that was me letting y'all know them joints is fire. Bit on the sour side. That's because of the tahini. Still fire though. If you don't like sour flavors, I wouldn't add the tahini. I like it like that. put the rest of this in the fridge. Y'all be easy. Like, subscribe. All that. Comment down below if you try it and you like it.